Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can contact PayPal officials. It's quite easy to reach out to the officials. What you have to do is open a browser and search for PayPal contact. You will find this PayPal contact us options in the first result. Tap on it. It will take you to a screen from where you can contact the officials of the PayPal. You can find answers to some common issues such as password and account access, payments and others in the top section. As you scroll below, you can also message to the PayPal assistant to get immediate response. Furthermore, you can ask the community or the resolution center or even call them. Hence, you can relay your issue or problems to moderators or PayPal officials using these contact options. It's a pretty simple step, so I hope you understood the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show some support, and we will be back with another video.